I just put the bird back into his cage, and I look down, and there's Oliver. Yes, Oliver's sleeping in Jessie's box. Oliver, it's time to move. Oh, sorry to wake you up, but Jessie would like his cage back. Oliver. Oliver. Aww. What do you think, Jessie? Should I just leave the two of you in there to figure it out? 'Cause I gotta go for a while. I gotta leave for a while. Ring the bell. Ring your bell and wake him up. Oliver? Oliver! I have to go out for a while. I'm not leaving you in Jessie's cage. I'm putting Jessie away so I know where he is, so he's not in harm's way of all kitties. But this is not exactly what I had in mind. Jessie. Stupid kitty, get out of my cage. Get out. Say, get out. Oliver, Oliver, come on. I gotta go. Come on, get out of there. Get out of Jessie's box. Come on. That's Jessie's box. Your kitty's got your own boxes. Come on. Come on. Oliver. Oliver, wake up. Come on, let's go. Out. Come on, out. Get out. Oliver. Oh. Get out of Jessie's cage. It's Jessie's blanket. It's not for you. It's not for you, Oliver.